What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I hit y'all with a video, but today is the day. We're going to Mooresville for the Fusion Flood. I'm vlogging, going live for all y'all who can't make it. I'm gonna try to drop this video as soon as possible, so that way y'all guys can feel like y'all here, but y'all watching me and y'all being here through me, you know what I'm saying? So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I like interacting with you guys, but I'm going to get started to the video because I'm running very behind. As you can see, I got me and my boys with my boy Kevin, my boy Tyrone. They pulled up on me. They're gonna follow me. We're gonna first I go by the vinyl shop. Can I get some vinyl? Because I'm not through doing what all I wanted to do. And then we're gonna go to the gas station and meet everyone else at the gas station. And I'm gonna pick up with you guys when we get to the vinyl shop, so I can see what that's like, where I shop at. I mean, I don't know anybody beating this guy's prices, but I'm gonna let y'all see everything. And yeah, my boy Kev got the headlights on today. Look at that. Custom headlights, 1 of 1 as well. They go to the rap king.
Yeah, rap king. I'm sure how it is. Bring him to the Ville.
He got the whole canoe on. I reckon we're going canoe when we get down there. I don't know.
That's a kayak, by the way.
So sorry, kayak. You know, I don't know about this. He got a kayak strapped on top. So I reckon we're gonna go kayaking when we get down there. I don't know. But look, I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get there. Alright, y'all, we back. I'm here at my boy NRL at his shop. He does all my work. I know y'all see my car. He did my camo wrap, my camo roof, my banner. He does all my work. He's right here with me. If you guys want to get with him, shout out to IG.
NRL Designs, NRL_Designs actually. But yeah, come check us out. We do all types of wraps. We do truck printing, lettering. We do toolboxes, all that good stuff. So you know, truck accessories, anything you want, just come check us out.
I'm gonna link his IG down in the description. Look, there's nobody else that's beating his prices and for the amount of work he does. He does everything. So I'm gonna take y'all inside. I'm gonna let y'all see the shop a little bit, and then we're gonna hit the road. Cause like I said, I'm running behind. I'm on a tight schedule. All right, y'all, this is shop right here. For the magic happens.
Sir.
Whose scat pack is that? Who's that over there, huh?
Hey, that's a Hellcat.
A Hellcat, my bad. Oh, so sorry. Who wide body Hellcat is that over here?
We're wrapping it. We already took part of the wide body off, so that's why, you know, it kind of looks like a regular one, but you know,
yeah,
it's a Hellcat wide body, about to wrap it blue.
Okay. Yeah, see they do it all. See, they just don't wrap. They take the wide body off and wrap all that junk, man. It's official. So if you anywhere near North Carolina and want your wrap done right, you might as well come here. Yeah. Right, man. I'm back. About to hop on the road to go meet up with everyone else at the gas station, and I'm a vlog, let them shout out their IG, so in case y'all want to give them a follow, in case y'all want to ask them any questions about any kind of thing they got done to their car, anything, y'all can actually just go to their IG and hit them up. Oh, and comment down below if you're watching this video and you went to the flood. Comment down below where you came from and how you liked it. So I'm mad excited, like I'm really excited, and I think that's why I'm running behind, because I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm ready to get down there, meet up with everybody. I'm trying to meet up and greet as many people as I can. So yeah, so hopefully this rain just passes over, because right now it's sprinkling a little bit, and honestly my car is dirty as I don't know what. Like, I ain't never seen my car this dirty. So I got my pressure washer over here beside me, so I was planning on washing my car either tonight or tomorrow morning early, because I don't want to wash it right now, then get on the road and bugs and everything be hitting it. So I'd rather just go ahead and wash it when I get down there. So I'm gonna get up with y'all when I meet up with everybody else. Alright, so we met up with everybody that's gonna meet us at the gas station. Everybody else is gonna meet us down there later on tonight.
traffic.
What's up, man?
Not a gas, that's always.
Mr. Sportman himself, Mr. Always on E. I bet what time we spending there? 15?
Huh?
$15? We gotta stop again to get Eric some more gas because I know he's gonna run out.
I get about 2 months ago.
Here you got your little pipes doing under here. I hear you. I recorded everybody. Is that everybody? I got a pressure washer in the hey, I got a pressure washer in the car. Oh, we gonna be washing 2 cars at once. Wait, hold up. You ain't got no hose pipe though, do you? For real, where?
The hose back there.
Where?
Oh, the hose? Nah, I ain't been there.
We need that.
I'm gonna get that shit.
We gotta go one more.
What you say? We got to keep going and leave him there, get a gas jug or some shit and bring it back.
Fill up as we go.
They gonna fill up as we go. Let's everybody pull over and eat some gas because you done got a heavy foot. But now I think that's everybody that's coming here, ain't it? Everybody that's coming here. Don't ask me what the plans is for today, 'cause I don't know. Don't ask. Oh, we gotta put his underglows on, so we're gonna need you to work today.
Oh.
Now look at talk over the excuses. What some shit finna do? Look, go ahead. Go ahead, give me an excuse.
Damn, I forgot something at home.
You forgot something at home, huh? Ain't wanna do no work.
Zip ties.
You got about the zip ties.
Man, forgot the zip ties. How you know that big ass?
Oh. Alright, y'all. So we about to load up at the road. We got like a 2-hour drive till we get down to the Airbnb. When we get to Airbnb, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna vlog with y'all on the way down there, and I'm gonna let y'all see the Airbnb and everything we got. We got one that's gonna be nice. It's on Lake Norman. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all get a glance of that, and then head to the Walmart because we got a lot of work to do. We gotta do an underglow install, and we gotta wash cars too, probably tonight and tomorrow. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get done. That's where we're gonna be staying at Friday through Sunday. We just pulled up to the Airbnb. Let me show y'all what this joint look like. Right here on the lake. Oh, this path kind of sketchy. Oh, we gotta go the other way. I was just looking at the views, bro. I was getting on the camera, man. Let everybody see the views. Hey, that driveway is sketchy. I don't know how you gonna turn around.
I was thinking about, I was trying to figure out how to turn around. I went to back up. I was like, oh.
That's why can't be going slow. He's like, no, gotta have overnight with the jam. We gotta keep it jam.
Yeah, I think they went to it won't me, I don't think. I about to say, ain't no door over here.
Alright, we gotta get that 3D. We gotta get that 5.5. Here we go with that. What's the code? Tell them.
I don't see the code thing. It must be in the garage or something. I don't know the code thing yet. No, I got the password. 5437. Is it on there? Did it come up? Hey, I ain't used to this new technology. It ain't open, did it? 5473. Oh shit.
How you feel, cuz?
We in this bit.
Go ahead.
Only because I got one.
He said, I did too.
Sketchy.
Oh, he said sketchy. Don't leave me there, bro.
Jason down
I ain't going out there. This shit nice though. Turn some lights on this mug, man.
I was looking for one light.
Alright, this one bedroom right here.
Pre-planned.
Here go the garage right here.
That's brother's bedroom with the garage. That's
Yeah.
very good.
Huh? Yeah, that's why.
Hey, that little sketchy ass
It's on there, garage.
Yeah, it's right there.
That's it. We got a little bit of room.
Yes,
We got a little bit of room.
You going down there?
might not come back.
You go. They probably they're shipping to the bedroom down here.
Ooh.
Oh shit.
Oh, this is a chill room.
Hair blower? Oh, it's probably for inside.
Okay.
They got a peep. Damn, boy.
We got everybody.
Hey, that Xbox.
Damn, with a double room, with a damn. Sheesh.
Yeah, this is a nice, bro.
We did.
Is that a closet?
Hey, yeah, that's a nice one. I wish I had this.
Oh, they got chalk in?
Alright, y'all, so we finally made it. So we about to get settled in, unpack the whip. And I will see y'all at the pre-meet. I'm about to get comfortable. I do really. Let me show you this right here before I go. I'm gonna show you this right here real quick. This is a late right here.
Yeah, I got my stomach bug, bro.
I got ball and shoulders. Get it.
Yes, sir. Alright, if y'all made it to the end of this video, don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe. We about to be lit. Flood 2021. If you down here, hit me up. If you see this video, comment down below. I promise I'll try to react and comment back and talk to you guys, man. Hey, who gonna fire up on the grill? Kevin? Alright, so I'm gonna get back with y'all. Alright, this your boy LJ and I'm out.